Hi, my name is Joy McCarroll, and this is my my thematic unit for EC for Education 3133 Methods of Math and Science. This is my whole unit, which involves our environment. The idea and premise of this learning station is the unit introducing kids to the environment. The purpose of the unit is teaching kids the importance and benefits of making informed choices in the use and conservation of natural resources in their everyday lives. The unit would be targeted in the month of April or correlated with the spring season. In the unit, we would include nature walks with the students, observing trees around them and the students' own environment. Also, this unit would include a section on pollution and conservation. In the unit, there would be a word wall along with definitions of the words like adaptation, hydrotropism, biodegradable, phototropism, environment, conservation, decomposition, and pollution. Those would be posted as well for definitions and clarity for the kids. There would be activities involving lots of material and text about the environment, especially an activity involving the history of a tree and being able to count the age of a tree based on tree rounds. One activity we would be doing is also incorporated in the unit would be the math station. This activity would involve reviewing place values of numbers in 6-digit progressions, because this is 4th grade. And another section would be our science section. It would be an indoor greenhouse where we would actually study in over a 1 to 2 month period of time. We would be studying the growth of a plant being watered by water, coke, and milk, and see the effects of that. The unit and stations would include coupling or groups of 2 or 3 in the group, and would incorporate many different elements of math and science, and including literature. Finally, the whole entire unit would also have an interactive bulletin board plan. Here's my plan for the bulletin board. It would actually have lots of different components. I chose a board that students can use all year around. The interactive bulletin board would be used in my class science equipment and materials area. I would use pockets and pictures with the proper names of equipment to benefit the student. It would serve to help the student collect and understand science equipment. So if you see here on the plan, there are pockets and descriptions of the bulletin board so that the kids can understand. I would use it specifically in my 4th grade environment unit, in that it would be used in every science experiment that we would use throughout the unit. As a result, an interactive bulletin board that reviews and discusses the tools and equipment in science, I think, would be important. The bulletin board would also explain why we use the tools and how the tools are being used properly can help us analyze different elements of our environment. So it all would tie in together. So that's my thematic unit for science and math, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.